is off. Portland has a timeout. Lillard, a chance to send the Thunder home. Lillard, long-range three, and it's good! At the buzzer! Damian Lillard! Are you kidding me?
What's up, everybody? Welcome to a brand new video right here on DigitalChefENT. So if you click on this video, you check out the title, you notice we're going to be unboxing the Marvel Black Panther Dame 5s right here today. I'm so excited for these. I actually saw a couple weeks ago where Adidas had their ad where they teamed up with Marvel, as you can tell. And there's, I think it's 5 people that they decided to do Marvel themed shoes for. So Damian Lillard has Black Panther, James Harden has Iron Man, Candace Parker has Captain Marvel, John Walls is Captain America, and then Tracy McGrady has ones too. I'm not 100% sure what hero his colorway was based off, but they brought back the T-Max as well. So I was like, you know what, I gotta get a pair of these. I'm not sure which ones I was gonna get, but being a Blazers fan, after watching Dame put out OKC, I think it was no-brainer that I was going to go with the Dame 5 Black Panthers. So first we'll look at this box. This box is so dope. When I actually opened them, I actually got them the other day. So I actually got them yesterday. And when I just opened up the regular UPS box and I saw this box, I was like, oh, this shit is so dope. So I don't collect shoe boxes, but this one will probably have to stay for a while. So you have the Adidas Marvel combination. You have all the heroes from the MCU. Well, not everybody, but you have a bunch of heroes from the MCU. So you have Winter Soldier, you have Vision, Iron Man, Thor, Groot. You have Captain Marvel, Captain America, War Machine, Hulk. You have the classic Captain Marvel from the comic books. You see this is Black Panther. I'm trying to think. I thought Black Panther was on here somewhere. Yeah, there he is. So you have the Black Panther. That's actually from his remake from a couple of years ago where they redid it. And that's actually how the comic book looks. That's pretty dope. You have Comic Book Rocket right there. So dope. And then on the side, it says the Hero Elite series. So I'm pretty sure they probably only did a limited amount of these. And since I wear 10 and a half shoes go by so fast, like hella fast, and it's always hard to get them. So I just jumped on these. Like, you know what? You only live once. Why not just get a pair of dope shoes? So yeah, so see it says Hero Elite right there. I'm pretty sure they only made a certain amount of these. Then we'll flip around the other side. Yep, the Dame 5. We took, the color basketball. The good 10 and a half. So let's open up the shoes now. This is a really nice box. Like, I'm usually not that big fan of shoe boxes. They're pretty, like, they're black or whatever with the logo, but I might have to put some comic books in here. So, you see the tissue paper says Marvel and Adidas. And then we're going to look at the actual shoes. And here they are. Very nice. Like, these are actually a little bit heavier than I thought they were. I thought they were going to be, like, really light. They're not super heavy, but they're not, like, super light. Like, right here is pretty heavy. But you see, you have the black and the purple. All out of the Black Panther costume from his movie. You got the purple all around at the bottom as well. Got the classic Adidas 3 stripes. So you have here, you have the Black Panther symbol in silver. And then the left one, I'm going to do the left one too, because the left one I think has Damian Lillard's logo right there. Flip it around. You see Damian Lillard's signature right there. Inside the shoe it just says Marvel and Adidas. See if I can get that. Yeah, it just says Marvel and Adidas on the inside. Nothing too fancy. And then on the back right here it says Wakanda. So I wonder what the right shoe says. Get the right shoe real quick. And yep, it's the same thing. So there's Dame symbol with the Black Panther style around it, but that's his logo. Everything else is identical. Then of course, The right one says forever. Like, you know, Wakanda forever. I really like these. I really can't wait to wear them. They look really comfortable. I just love the color. Like, I remember a couple of years ago, I was looking for a pair of black and purple shoes. I just couldn't find any I liked. So that was like 9 years ago. So 9 years later, finally found a pair that I really like. And I can't wait to wear. Actually, we're gonna do it justice. We're gonna turn them around. So that's the last image you see. So thank you for checking out this brand new unboxing video right here on DigitalChefENT. Let me know what you think about the unboxing videos. Maybe I'll pick up other stuff so I can just unbox it and tell you how I feel about it. But anyway, check out these shoes. They're on Adidas.com. I'm not sure if they sold out yet, but if you are a Marvel fan, if you like Adidas, this is the perfect combination for you. I can't wait to try them out personally. But again, thank you for checking out this video. Like, share, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you on the next video. Later.